Hold up. Alright. Hold up. Bruh. Is that damn working? Bruh. It's hard. Imagine my phone falls. It burns. I hope it. Hold up. Hold down. Jeez. Bro, get off my wallet. Bruh. You know what, let me put the tape on. Hey.
What?
Alright. Alright. Whatever it is, this way. Now, we're gonna do this. Hold up. And you see tape. It's not my fault. Bruh, why did the other piece of tape fall? Jeez.
I'm going bike riding, Mom. I'm going bike riding. Bike riding. No voy
Él voy a jugar con la bicycle. Oh yes. Hold up. Yeah. All right. This is good. Hold up. Okay. This is how you make. Hold up. Let me pull up my camera.
Shut up.
All right. This is what's called this is an airplane montage. So, and it's a different kind of airplane instead of the ones that I make in class. But and that 1 minute was me just trying to make up a stand on my lamp for the camera. I don't even have all the equipment. All right. When you do this, you gotta make sure it's even, or else the OCD kids will get triggered. So, oh no, mine's not triggered. Alright. Now when you finish doing this, you open it and you put the flaps down. It's like an ordinary airplane. But, except they gotta do it in this straight line. Hold up. Do the same exact thing on the other side. And do this. So you basically double fold on both sides. And whenever you double fold, now this is where it kind of gets tricky. You fold it until it lines up to the line up here. But also gonna line up to the line over here, like the one that when I folded it. Okay, and now that that's done, flip it over, and where the page are you flipped it, we go to that, line it up with the line right here, and then, hold up. This. Ding this side, bro. This side. Hold up. I think I got a good idea for this. Nope, I don't. Alright. Now since you did that, do the same thing on the other side. And if you need more time, you can just pause the video. But if you, and do it on the other side. then you go back over here. Then you see that it's like an arrow or like a triangle. And you do that, and just imagine a line right here. You know what? Hold up. Alright, I'm gonna draw the line. It might not be straight, but I'll just do as best as I could. Just do it over here. Just imagine that line. And then when you do that, or you don't have to do it, but I'm doing it so you can see. You fold it on the line. And when you do that, it's supposed to look like this. Then you fold it. And this is where you make the wings. And you fold it. And if you think I'm copy striking, or if I'm copywriting, or if I'm just copying the YouTube channel, that is true, because the YouTube channel that I'm copywriting is Beast Hacks, and it's their latest one, their latest video. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically Mr. Beast except the Life Hacks ones, those. And whenever you do this, of course, you gotta make extra flaps. And then when you do that, it should look like this. If not, then no. Alright, let me take out this tape. Hold up. I'm not ending the video. I'll show you how far it'll go. Alright, take out the tape off. Gotta do this in my room. Hold up. I locked it because everyone was being annoying. Alright. Well, I don't know why I went over there, but you know, I'm gonna throw it to that room right there. If it doesn't go as that good, well, if it goes way better, you gotta like the video and subscribe. Hold it one more time. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. This is how my living room is. Alright. So, let's see. This is, yeah. This is my. If you want, you can call this a jet fighter airplane. You can have any paper for this. By the way, that teddy bear is my niece's. This one, that's my niece's. My mom put it here for some reason. My mom made that pillow. This one's mine. Just stop. Alright, let's go back to my airplane. And I'm gonna go outside. Hold up, I need change. Hold up! Let me pause the video. Alright guys, I am back. So I changed. Hold up! And I'm back, and there's this giant truck in my front yard. Stop! Let me go with my damn friends. Bro, I'm filming a YouTube video. Put up! Shut up! Wait! Be quiet! Bruh! If you heard that, I am not sorry. Just. You want to see my new airplane? Dude, my new airplane just got stuck in the tree. But there it is. Right there. Well, if you don't get it stuck in a tree, then just don't get it stuck in a tree. What? Hut up. Alright. So, I'll end the video here. Bye.